Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see what is a course or a subject, and as a student how I can access these courses and its content. A course or a subject is a unit of study within a program. Each course is assigned a credit point value that contributes to the overall degree awarded. When I click subject widgets, I am navigated into a list of subjects page where I can see entire list of subjects and its completion status. And each subject has a start and a expected completion date. If a student is unable to complete the subject on time, then it will be shown as a due. Also, each course has a overall ratings at the bottom of the widgets, which are given by the students who already completed these subjects. Subjects are broadly classified into my subjects and mandatory subjects. Mandatory subjects are part of my curriculum and is enrolled by my professor. My subjects are my own area of interest and enrolled by me. As a student, I can go to search subject submenu and then search a subject from a catalog and enroll or bookmark it. Let me search a particular course and see how I can search and view a particular course, and if I wish, I can register myself. When I hover my mouse over a particular subject, it shows subject author, subject category, subject type, whether it's a e-learning, ILT or a blended, how long will it take to complete, and how much credit will student receive once it's completed successfully. Also, I can search a subject by using search bar. Now I'm going to see the course content by clicking view details button. Now this is the page, this is the subject overview page where it shows complete description about the course, its outcome and other metadata or the parameters. And also it contains 3 tabs. One is the content, the discussion forum and digital badges or a digital certificate. The content tab shows complete list of topics and subtopics of each topic. When I click subtopic, it shows what is the content inside this subtopic. Discussion forum helps the students to discuss any doubts related to subjects with the professor or with the other students. Digital badge or a digital certificate tab will show the details of certificate or badge mapped with the subject. After successful completion of a subject, a student will automatically receive this certificate, which they can share through social media like Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter. Let me click export button. This is the course content page where students starts learning the subjects. The content shown here is a video type and the students can click the play button and start watching the videos and start learning it. In this subject or a course, all the topics are mandatory, which are indicated by star symbol, and also the student has to complete the particular topic before moving to a next topic. Those are indicated by log symbol over here. Students can have different content as part of their subject. Different content types are PDF, PowerPoint presentation, Word document, video, audio, images or a web content, and also a topic wise test. Now I'm going to view my subject report by clicking this report button. and this subject report will help the student to know the completion percentage and their proficiency level on each topic. Also, it helps the students to know which are the topics they are proficient and which are the topics they need to focus and have a more attention, right? They can also use different types of charts to view their proficiency level or progress very clearly. Also, they can go to list of topics to see the topic wise completion and a topic wise test and what is my score on each attempts. For example, this enum data type subtopic has a test, topic wise test, say name check your understanding. When I click this eye icon, it's showing this particular student how many times he attended and when he attempted, what is the score he got on each of these attempted, and also he can click this result button or the icon, then he can see his report, test report summary.